Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a creator who's always wanted to bring characters to life without needing a Hollywood studio, you're in for a treat. Today I'm excited to introduce the next big leap in animation, RunwayML's upcoming update, Act 1. It's a game changer that takes animation from tedious and expensive to accessible and mind-blowing. Whether you're a solo creator or part of a large team, this is for you. So, what exactly is ActOne? It's Runway's revolutionary new tool that lets you animate characters in ways we've only dreamed of, using just a video and your voice. Think about it. No need for motion capture suits or complex rigs. You act out a performance, record it, and Act 1 transforms it into a fully animated character, capturing every nuance of emotion and movement. In-depth feature breakdown. Video to animation. The core magic of Act 1 is in how it translates simple video inputs into stunning character animations. You can record yourself or anyone else acting, and Act 1 will turn it into a fully animated performance. The AI captures the subtleties, facial expressions, hand movements, even those little quirks that make a performance truly human. Voice to animation sync. But what's really cool is that it doesn't stop at body movements. Act 1 also syncs your voice to the animation. Speak into your mic, and your animated character not only moves, but talks in perfect sync. Imagine the possibilities for creating storytelling scenes without having to record separate audio tracks. Multi-character animation. Act 1 goes beyond just animating one character. You can create entire scenes with multiple characters interacting, each with its own distinct movements and expressions. It's a huge leap forward for anyone making narrative-driven content. 4. Why Act 1 is a game changer. Now let's talk about why Act 1 matters. If you've worked with character animation before, you know it can be a nightmare. Hours of work, expensive gear, and tons of post-production. With Act 1, that's all in the past. Imagine producing high-quality animations in a fraction of the time, with tools that are easy to use and accessible to creators at every level. You can focus on storytelling, not the technical details. Tips for maximizing Act 1. To get the most out of Act 1, here's a quick tip. Try layering different performances to create more complex scenes. Start with a basic performance, then record additional characters interacting with each other. The tool allows for that level of flexibility, making it perfect for building rich, dynamic worlds. Personal review and recommendations. For me, what really stands out is how intuitive and fast Act 1 is. In just a few minutes, you can go from a simple video of yourself talking to a fully animated character scene. Whether you're working on a YouTube video, short film, or even game development, this tool opens up so many creative doors. Are you ready to take your animations to the next level? Act 1 is coming soon, and trust me, you're going to want to be first in line to try it out. Make sure to follow Runway for updates, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on AI-driven creative tools. Thanks for watching. If you're as excited as I am about Act 1, let me know in the comments how you'd use it. See you soon.